Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Hunaik. Today I need to discuss about Engineering Math 1 Trigonometry. Author of the book is Chitranjan Malik and Susmita Malik. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get notification whenever I will upload a new video. This is Engineering Math 1 Trigonometry. The question is given. This is question number 9. Prove that sin theta plus sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta is equal to tan theta. Okay, you take LHS. LHS is equal to sin theta plus sin 2 theta divide 1 plus cos theta plus cos 2 theta. Okay, is equal to sin theta plus sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta divide 1 plus cos theta cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, is equal to, you see, taking common sin theta, you can get 1 plus 2 cos theta. Here you see cos theta plus cos square theta 1 minus sin square theta. I can write here 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, is equal to sin theta 1 plus 2 cos theta divide, this is cos theta plus cos 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. This is also cos square theta, cos square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, is equal to sin theta 1 plus 2 cos theta divide cos theta plus 2 cos square theta. Taking common cos theta from denominator, sin theta 1 plus 2 cos theta divide, taking common cos theta, you can go to 1 plus 2 cos theta, 1 plus 2 cos theta, 1 plus 2 cos theta, 1 plus 2 cos theta will cancel out. You can get sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta is equal to RHS. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem, question number 10. If 2 tan alpha is equal to 3 tan beta, prove that tan alpha minus beta is equal to sin 2 beta by 5 minus cos 2 beta. Here you see 2 tan alpha is equal to 3 tan beta. This is given. I can write tan alpha is equal to 3 by 2 tan beta. Okay, here given tan alpha minus beta, you take tan alpha minus beta. You know the formula, tan a minus b, tan a minus tan b, that is tan alpha minus tan beta divide 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. Okay, you see tan alpha is equal to how much? 3 by 2 tan beta. You write 3 by 2 tan beta minus tan beta is equal to tan beta, right? Tan beta divide 1 minus tan alpha is equal to 3 by 2 tan beta into tan beta. Okay, you can get 3 tan beta minus 2 tan beta divide 2 by 2 minus 3 tan beta. This is plus, sorry, this is plus 2 plus 3 tan beta into 3 tan square beta. Tan beta, that is 3 tan square beta, right? 3 tan square beta. Okay, by 2 will cancel out. then you can get 3 tan beta minus 2 tan beta divide 2 plus 3 tan square beta. Okay, is equal to 3 tan beta is equal to 3 minus 2, that is only tan beta, divide 2 plus 3 tan square beta. Okay, tan beta is equal to sin beta by cos beta. By 2 plus 3 sin square beta tan square beta, that is sin square beta by cos square beta, 3 sin square beta by cos square beta. Okay, is equal to, you see, this become sin beta by cos beta into okay, write one step sin beta by cos beta divide 2 cos square beta plus 3 sin square beta by cos square beta. Okay, this become sin beta by cos beta into cos square beta by 2 cos square beta plus 3 sin square beta. Okay, this square and this cos beta will cancel out. You multiply 2 here, numerator and denominator, you can get 2 sin beta into cos beta. You have to divide by 2, so 2 again 2 into 2 cos square beta plus 3 sin square beta. Okay, 2 into 2 cos square beta plus 3 sin square beta is equal to, this is sin 2 beta divide 4 cos square beta plus 6 sin square beta. Okay, is equal to sin 2 beta divide 5 cos square beta minus cos square beta, 6 sin square beta, I can write 5 sin square beta plus sin square beta. Okay, is equal to sin 2 beta divide 5 cos square beta, taking common 5 from this and this, 5 cos square beta plus sin square beta okay minus cos square beta minus sin square beta, taking common minus from this and this, minus cos square beta minus sin square beta. Okay, you know cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. That means this is equal to sin 2 beta, 5 into 1, that is 5, minus cos square beta minus sin square, that is cos 2 beta is equal to RHS. Okay, hence it is proved. LHS This is LHS. Okay, LHS, hence it is proved. Pause the video, note it down.